Hi guys, we're gonna play Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Sorry about that guys. My little brother is just, annoying. I'm gonna kick your ass.
You kick your ass.
So guys, I don't want you to wait, so I'm gonna cut it here. Wait. Okay guys, I've done it. As you can see, I have no CP. Okay? Because we are poor. And maybe I'm a little good, but yes, my best friend is online. We're gonna play risky here. Okay. We have five random. Okay, search and destroy. Not bad, but not good either. Because I'm a little bad in search and destroy. I think first round, I'm gonna use the sniper. Next round, I'm gonna use... I think I'm gonna use a AR.
Defend the objective.
Hold the bomb. Oh, it's not our bomb. Oh shit. Oh shit, not good.
Bomb spotted.
Only one guy left. Shit. I think I'm gonna use a sniper until I die. Shit. Shit.
Standing. Finish it.
I got surprised. No. Oh my god.
Not over yet. Ready up. Defend the objectives.
It's our bomb or not? Ay. No shit.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
Goods, bro. Oh my god, it's so windy. Okay, Zrog, if I was you, I think you need to coach me because I'm not really that good in Codem. My god, defuse. Yes, my god. No! Shit.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Oh my god.
Defend the objectives.
Shit. What the f... I'm gonna cut it, guys.
Reloading!
Yeah, 2v3. I got it, oh my god. Thank you.
Tango down! Changing mag! Cover me!
2v1, oh my god, this is good.
They have the bomb.
Yes, thank you.
Nice work. Ready for the next round. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Grenade out!
Shit.
Enemy has the bomb. Get down, sniper! Bomb dropped.
Okay guys, it's a 1v3. My god, yes.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
I think I'm gonna risk it with this.
Destroy the objective. We got the
Oh
bomb.
my god, no, I don't want a bomb. Shit. Shit, no! No! I didn't take the kill.
Targets in sight.
AFK, my god. Okay guys, I think this is the last one and I'm gonna post a part 2 of me playing. And I'm not gonna, there's no video that is gonna going over 15 minutes because I didn't verify
Won't
now.
let this happen again.
Hey guys. Ayun pa. 1 million subscriber. Yeah.
Did you hear that, guys? He wants 1 million subscribers. But I think it's impossible. But you know, you could make it happen if you subscribe right now. Okay, frontline. Not the best, but not the worst. Yeah, I do. I think the worst is. Let me think. I think the worst is to the end. We agree, guys. Oh my god. This is the same. You remember Bini Maika? He's my enemy right now. Shit. Shit.
Contact with enemy.
I think I'm going God mode. Because it's rank. Okay? I'm not going easy on them.
Tango down.
Shit. My little brother said I'm gonna go quickly. Shit, no. Why didn't I move?
Targets in sight.
Okay, it's
Lost the lead.
almost 15 minutes. I think we need to cut. What the fudge?
Enemy in sight.
I'm just gonna told you at the end, guys, okay, if we won or lose. So guys, we lost the first round, but let's see the second round. Or I say the final round. What the fuck is that?
Hostile care package inbound. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Hey, brother.
Contact with enemy.
Ako nag-record, piste ka. Ingat mo. Oh, nay.
The enemy is
Ano ka ba? Hi, guys.
reloading. Cover me.
Ano ka ba?
Nakalikat, bugo. Shit.
Be advised. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Contact with enemy. Lost the lead.
Laga, uy. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I'm gonna let you in the next video if I won or not. Because clearly we're not gonna win.
Enemy Shock RC is coming.
Ayun. Ito. Lo. Nag-crash. It crashed.